Hi, I'm Carolina Zavala, and this is my data analysis results. So the questions I selected were the first two questions of the interview, number 1 and number 2. So the first question was, I am interested in learning about sense of purpose. What does the phrase purpose in life mean to you? And then the second question, which was, what is your purpose in life? How do you describe your purpose in life? So the classmates data that I used was Sarah's, myself, Kayla's, Selena's, Oscar's, and Valerie's. So thank you guys. The description of the participants were for Sarah, her participant was a 26-year-old female who's a third grade teacher for 4 years. Myself, whose participant was Carlo Del Real, who's a male, 22 years old, who's a human resource assistant with 1 year's worth of experience. Kayla, whose participant was Susan, who's a 22-year-old female, who's a behavioral therapist for 1 year. Selena, whose participant is Chong, who's a male under the age of 30, who is an IT specialist at a car dealership, who has an experience of 1 year. Oscar, whose participant is a female who's 25 years old and is a dental educator for 1.5 years. And Valerie, whose participant is a female between the ages of 30 to 49, who's a teacher on special assignment for 3 years. So the results, I came up with 12 codes due to the 12 responses because there was 6 participants and each participant answered 2 questions, or I selected 2 of their answers. Therefore, gives me a total of 12 codes. And the codes I came up with were a good person, be a good person, good people, God's plan, God, fulfill a purpose, fulfill peace, being kind, work and family, being kind again, happiness, and helping others for pleasure. Now, I broke these up into 4 categories. Good people, be a good person, and good people became its own category, which is being good people. God's plan and God became its own category, which is the category of God. Fulfill purpose, fulfill peace. I made that a category called sense of fulfillment. Be kind, work and family, being kind again, happiness, and help others for pleasure. I gave it the title of a category called helping for self-worth. Now, based on these categories, I came up with major themes based on the total results. So, majority want to be good people by helping others, whether it's family, friends, or strangers, because it brings pleasure. So I merged good people along with helping for self-worth into its own theme. Helping others brings a sense of fulfillment, like you did your duty. So kind of like if you do your duty in life, that brings fulfillment to yourself. That's what I meant by that theme. And that would be sense of fulfillment and helping others for self-worth. I merged those to a theme. And then lastly, oh, sorry about that. Lastly, the theme would be many believe in God and follow their Christian faith. The category of God is its own theme. And those are my results. Thank you.